Cultivate and aerate even the most compacted plant beds with the dirty little secret of great gardeners, the 48-volt Ion Plus cordless garden tiller cultivator from Sunjoe. Sunjoe provides all the power of a gas machine with the eco-friendly convenience of cordless technology. Powered by the exclusive 24-volt Ion Plus system, Sunjoe includes two 2-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries for up to 35 minutes of fuel, fume, and fuss-free rechargeable runtime. The 500-watt brushless motor runs cooler, stronger, and longer than traditional motors and starts up instantly with the squeeze of the trigger. The 4 heavy-duty 8-prong tilling blades quickly cultivate an area up to 14 inches wide and 7 inches deep in seconds. Slice through soil, control weeds, and prep plant beds with ease. Your neighbors will never know you didn't hire a pro. Pulverize dirt at the perfect depth with the 3-position height adjustment to help nutrients and moisture better penetrate roots and soil or winterize your garden for prepped plant beds in spring. And when the job's done, Sunjoe's included dual-port charger powers up both batteries at once in just 55 minutes. Plus, every Ion Plus tool is backed by our complete 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So get growing and go with Joe. The 24VX2 TLR14 48-volt cordless tiller cultivator from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 43cc gas-powered cultivator. Champion's 43cc 2-stroke engine is one of the largest and most powerful in its class, making this the perfect tool for even the toughest gardening and landscaping tasks. The 4 8 3/4-inch bidirectional hardened steel tines easily handle any type of soil, and the durable 7-inch removable wheels make it easy to maneuver between jobs, or adjust your tilling depth up to 6 inches. This unit also comes with a bottle of Champion 2-cycle engine oil, so you can quickly and easily get your unit out of the box and up and running. Make sure you read your operator's manual and follow all of the assembly and safety guidelines. Open the box and inspect all parts. Attach the tines according to the directions in the operator's manual. Attach the wheels. Assemble the handle. Pre-mix and add your gasoline and oil mixture. Start the unit, and you're ready to go. Champion's 43cc gas-powered cultivator. Versatile, powerful, and dependable.
Tazz 2-in-1 Tiller Cultivator. It's versatile, taking advantage of both tilling and cultivating power. Take a pass at open spaces with the tiller, then whip off the tine shield and outer tines to cultivate around rows and plants. It's maneuverable. It goes where you want and turns when you want. Light, stable, and balanced. The perfect combination to get around your garden. It's speedy. By adding a powerful 79cc Viper engine, Tazz powers you up to conquer any garden task quickly. Get it tilled in Tazz time. It's Tazz. When we say it's Tazz, we back it up with US-based service and support and a 3-year warranty. Fast forward your project from doing to done. Get Tazz.
Introducing the TJ604E electric tiller plus cultivator from Sunjoe. The dirty little secret of great gardens and great gardeners everywhere. TJ604E's powerful 13.5 amp motor quickly pulverizes dirt with 6 durable steel angled tines and effortlessly slices through soil at up to 370 RPM, ensuring maximum aeration and preparation for planting. Cultivate areas up to 16 inches wide and 8 inches deep in just seconds. Sunjo tames the toughest yard and garden tasks, controlling weeds with less strain. Rear wheels make it easy to maneuver wherever it's needed, and a collapsible handle makes it a cinch to store. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's the perfect tool to get your garden started. So get growing and go with Joe, the TJ604E electric tiller plus cultivator from Sunjo. Get equipped.
Introducing the electric tiller from EVEAGE, a great tilling tool for the garden, yard, and vegetable plot. The electric tiller needs no gas or oil and no tune-ups, always reliable. The EVEAGE electric tiller has a powerful 120-volt 13.5 amp copper motor. It effortlessly slices through the soil at up to 360 RPMs. Lowering the height of the handle will help keep a uniform speed. You control how deep your tilling will go. The EVEAGE electric tiller has 6 high-quality SK5 stainless steel blades that won't rust and offer denser and faster tilling. EVEAGE has an 18-inch tilling width and 8-inch tilling depth that improves efficiency and time. It's suggested to pre-weed any area that needs to be tilled, stop and remove any roots ahead of time so they don't get caught in the blades. Always avoid working in rocky soil. The EVEAGE tiller and cultivator is designed with a safety button that will prevent an accidental start, along with overheating protection that will stop and prevent motor damage. The tiller has a foldable design that is easy to set up and fold away when not in use. EVEAGE electric tiller offers a 2-year warranty. It's perfect for all garden jobs.
Want to know how the best gardens stay that way? Introducing the Tiller Joe electric tiller and cultivator from Sunjo, the dirty little secret of great gardens and great gardeners everywhere. Tiller Joe's powerful 12-amp motor quickly pulverizes dirt with 6 durable steel angled tines and effortlessly slices through soil at up to 370 RPM, ensuring maximum aeration and preparation for planting. Cultivate an area up to 16 inches wide and 8 inches deep in just seconds. Tiller Joe tames the toughest yard and garden tasks, controlling weeds with less strain. Rear wheels make it easy to maneuver wherever it's needed, and a collapsible handle makes it a cinch to store. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's the perfect tool to get your garden started. So get growing and go with Joe, the Tiller Joe electric tiller and cultivator from Sunjo. Get equipped.
Introducing the 8-amp 10-inch electric cultivator from Greenworks Tools. The powerful 8-amp electric motor allows you to dig into packed soil with ease using 4 8-inch tines. The 10-inch tilling width is easily adjustable to 8.25 inches for versatile tilling with 2 tines. Adjustable height allows for a tilling depth of up to 5 inches. The 6-inch wheels make it easy to transport the cultivator across your yard, and the fold-down handles makes for convenient storage after use.